Okay, hopefully this is recording here. Got a little bit of stuff updated. I made a particle that will eventually be what gets shot out of the cannon, and I'm hoping you're hearing me here properly, but eventually that particle is what will be shot out of these guns. Now I have 3 tanks there because what I'm about to do here, just click play. Something I wanted to be able to do was to change which tank we were watching and which tank we were driving. So they're now selectable and they're fully controllable. And one other thing, you're inside the tank. So to be specific, you're actually mounted on a mount just above the barrel. So you're in the tank, so you can do all the great tank type stuff. Oop. Now there's a little bit of a smoothing on the camera, so you'll see from time to time the tank kind of moves even though the camera doesn't move right away, but that's intended, because kind of like when you're in a vehicle, your head doesn't move one-to-one with the vehicle. Pretty close, but not one-to-one. Anyhow, so if I hop back out of that mode of camera there, it drops the camera. If you go out of the first person like perspective, it'll drop the camera wherever you dropped it. Right now I don't have any stored camera locations, but it kind of allows me to quickly reposition the camera. Now the camera has that algorithm for elevation based on distance from a target. And yeah, I can change the tanks pretty quickly. Oh, that must be the highest tank. Yeah, there we go. There's the first tank. So yeah, I can control them individually and do things to them individually, and I could spawn others in during game as long as they are a child of tanks. And after messing around and fiddling with code, I figured out that I can, well, first of all, find the parent object tanks in the there. Then I can step through its children by an index number down here, and then set a global selected tank. This here gets set, so any of the other scripts that wants to see what the selected tank is here, you just have to tell it what script it's in, and then the thing you want, and what do you want to do with it. Something I found out, you actually have to use the path to the child. So in Unity, the tank has the barrel holder here. That's the barrel holder. It holds the 2 barrel parts. To use that as a place to mount the camera, which is what this lower part down here does, you actually have to put the real path, like the tank body, the rotational part of the turret, and then the elevational part of the turret. And then I just put a little note here that if it ever is null, there is no target. In fact, this whole section here can probably be yeah, I think I can delete part of this. Anyhow, I'll do that later. Anyhow, it was just a small update so that you guys could see where I'm at. I'm slowly learning Unity and how to do the mix of the 2D and 3D stuff. And yeah, that's where we're at. Anyhow, that's the update. As always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. There'll probably be some more on this, and maybe I'll have some new tanks coming in. I know I've posted somewhere a little tank, because I'm trying to learn Blender again and maybe make all my stuff in Blender. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.